So the first one is that 4 more than -1. It's actually addition only. So first you take a number line in such questions. So your number line will be like this, and let's mark numbers on this number line: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Always remember that these all are equally spaced: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. We will leave it here only because this much will serve our purpose to solve this question, these three problems. It is 4 more than -1. So whenever you have more, it means you have to move towards the right direction. Okay, by how much? By this number. More means towards the right. By how much? By this number. And than -1 means this is the current position, your current position on the number line. So the current position is -1. You have to move 4 more, means towards the right. So take 4 jumps. That is, this is first, this is second, this is third, and this is 4. So where you are at 3. The answer for this will be 3. Okay, and for this one, remove this. For the second one, you have 2 less than -1. Again, this number tells you your current position. You are at -1. Less means you have to move towards the left direction. And by how many values? This will tell you by how many values whether you have to move towards the left or by the right. Since it is less, you have to move towards the left. By how many values? By 2. Your current position is -1. So take 2 moves. First move and a second move. You are at -3. The answer will be -3. Okay, let's do the last one. It is 6 more means towards the right direction than 1. This tells you your current position. You are at 1. You have to move towards the right. By how many values? By 6 values. So jump. First move, second move, third move, fourth move, fifth move, and sixth move. This is your final landing. Therefore, the answer for this one will be 7.